It's another Tuesday night. In this 19th of October, we're about to face nightmare fuel of game dev. Welcome everyone to another webcam dev stream. Oh boy. How are y'all doing? I hope you're doing good. I certainly am. This night, my thinks he's safe with only nightmare fuel, but then he gets surprise back. And I mean, damn it. Welcome to the stream. Put on you, Austin. And with an immediate hydrate. Alright, that's great. Hello. Become ghost. What do you mean ghost Mike? I don't want to be ghost. I don't want to become ghost. Yeah, I'm doing good. How about you? Changing to webcam in 3, 2, 1, caboose. Hello. It's me, the burst. Back with another stream. And I renable my heat because I disabled it while I was at my job. There you go, everything's enabled. Does this still work? Yeah, this still works. Alright, good. Not broken. Okay, the next person of what I want to talk about will be considered trouble. Oh god. Okay, yeah, let's keep it up there. Apart from that, other people, how are you feeling? Hopefully I won't create too many nightmare fuels today. But we'll see. I cannot guarantee it. Also, why the crap is my health tilted when my head is straight? Oh, that is calling for recalibration. Okay. They are the first nightmare fuel. A bird that is not calibrated. Oh, I got some passes. Oh god. Oh, bad damn it, they don't feel good. They're gonna feel worse. Why did you do these things? What about yes, that's definitely working. Don't worry. I care about that. Oh boy. Anyway, I'm in the anyway, I'm in the VC with the Blackout, so say hi, Blackout.
Oh, hi.
There you go. Go big old Blackout here, or should I say small old Blackout here?
Hey. I'm just working on stuff currently. But hello.
Just working on. Well, I'll be working on stuff tonight. So tonight, I have a couple choices, and by that I think I mean like 2, or maybe 3, but not more. Because in terms of the like webcam features itself, like it does work. You can make your avatar, you can calibrate it, and you can use it. But the background, right now there's no lights at all. There's no background at all, in fact. So the next step would be to actually make the background SDK or the background system. Because yeah, that needs to be done. Hey, Bamba, hello. A bit. Yes, it did. It was a bit. But glad you're back. Hello there. Howdy. It has a first choice. Second choice will be I pay $95 to get zero latency mic. I hope it does work, my $95. If I would do the background. I mean, I could run a poll. But, like, the mic does work, at least, so, like, it's not very necessary to pay for now. But it's gonna be paid eventually, like, not doing it now just delays the inevitable. It just delays the inevitable. And also, you know how last times I was absolutely complaining to death about like performance? Well, I kind of found a temporary solution. It does not fix it, but here's the problem. Too much FPS. Yeah, you heard me right, too much FPS. This can happen. And what happens in my case, like, it was proven when I played RCT2 last Friday. Well, here's the thing, like, I'll explain, like, you can see multiple episodes before I tried to troubleshoot it, but... Alright, so, in RCT2, I had the FPS counter at the top of my screen. When I was fully zoomed out, the game lagged at like 40 FPS, but then when I was fully zoomed in, it ran at like 1300 FPS. When I was fully zoomed out at 40 FPS, the game did not feel super fluid, but at least it was playable, and my webcam was not lagging at all. Then I run fully zoomed in at 1300. Yes, you can go see the VOD. I'm actually editing it right now. I mean, edit, like, it's just like censoring one word I don't want people to hear. It's not a swear word, but it's a name that shall not be named. Let me go check on the VOD itself. Where is it? Fully zoomed in? Where did I put myself fully zoomed in on this? Somewhere at the beginning, I think. I guess I'm doing the park here, but if I... Okay, yeah, here. So this was last Friday. Like, this is the work. Like, I'm fully zoomed in, a level nothing. Almost 1300 FPS.
That's a lot of FPS.
And when I ran the game at 1300 FPS, my webcam lagged. And every single software next to it, so would it be Discord, would it be OBS, would it be Twitch, everything lagged. So it is a frame rate issue. Somehow. So here's the thing, so Austin, you say so you say limit the FPS. Yeah, of course, I tried the easy way out of going in my player settings and limiting the FPS there, and also going by code, putting the FPS limit there, and trying to run, like, setting the FPS limit every single frame. It would always disable. Because of VR. Yes, because I'm trying to run an XR application with the XR plugin management Steam VR. It forces the FPS uncapped. I tried everything to limit it. Knowing it's like an overlay that it's not going to be used inside the headset. I'm trying to limit the FPS, it does not want to unlimit. It does not want to limit. It keeps getting uncapped. So meaning, the webcam lags. And lags everything like next to it. I mean, it doesn't lag when you look at the window itself and it's focused, but everything else, OBS, Twitch, everything else lags. Like, come on. And when I run another application, with, for example, like Trackmania, for example, then the webcam lags as well. It's stupid. Like, I still need, like, I don't know if I can actually contact Unity themselves, because everyone's trying to figure that shit out, and they just can't. So I might contact Unity, but knowing this is like a deprecated thing, and the SteamVR plugin is also external now, I don't know who to contact, and I don't know who's doing wrong here. But I'm gonna take a look into it in the future. Maybe not now, because here's the thing, I found a temporary solution. And you might be surprised, the graphics API. For some reason, I mean, not really for some reason, let's explain first. By default, Unity apps run on DirectX 3011. But you can change that. You can change to DirectX 3012, which is experimental, but you can also set it to Vulkan. And both of these are faster than 11, technically, depending on what you do. Setting it to DirectX 12 fixes most of the lag. Like proof. I'm going to open the webcam. If I can find the app somewhere. Unity. This one. Build. And that should be... In theory... Okay, is it... Okay, I set it to DirectX 12. Okay, it does like this one for some reason, but... okay, maybe it... No, you know what? If I shut off the other webcam... It feels better. It does feel a little better. But still... It's to be desired. I then tried Vulkan. So if I run Vulkan, and as you can see, it does work. Like the FPS is like right now it's focused and it's decently smooth. But as you can see, Direct 3D shaders do not work with Vulkan shaders. Those are different graphic APIs. So what I have to do is also include in my Vulkan export the like Direct 3D render APIs underneath. Because right now, for example, like this one just black. This one looks fine, but there's no waviness to my lights because the shader doesn't work. This one, of course, fully black. This one fully black minus the orb, which is just textured. This one also fully black. This one fully black. That one does work, but still, this one is. You can see it, but for some reason it's dark, and also my glasses are like pure dark. This one, the Protogen, it's just pink. And then this one is, you see the texture, but it's not shaded. And this one was exported with Vulkan. But there's still some stuff that doesn't exactly work. Like, as you can see in the, like, here it seems like good, but in the actual, like, transparent, it's like, it doesn't work. So...
It's just a floating head, as we can all see.
Yeah, it's just a floating head.
Yeah,
so,
I'm gonna go get...
yeah.
Sorry.
No, continue. You're going to do something?
Yeah, I'm gonna go get myself some food, so BRB.
Alright. But yeah, so as you can see, it doesn't really work if I use Vulkan. But it does offer the best performance out of the bunch. For some reason. And if I open my old webcam in the back, let's see if it lags or not. I mean, it lags on boost, of course, but... It doesn't lag that much. And if it's unfocused, no difference whatsoever. So Vulkan works, but I can't use Vulkan. Like, pure Vulkan. Because most apps and rendering engine and stuff will be using DirectX 11 or 12. which those shaders are supported. Shaders from DirectX 11 can work in DirectX 12. So yeah, I'm gonna use D3D12 from now, for obvious reasons. But it still surprises me that the other one, like, right now it's focused and it doesn't lag whatsoever. I really don't know. And it's using Direct 3D11. I don't know. I really don't know. Like if I could, I would use the deprecated API for VR. Because that one doesn't work. But it doesn't support a thing overlay. Which is disappointing. And Retro Zivok. Ah, remember you. Thanks for the follow. Welcome to the birds. To the game day birds. Anyway. Back to the development. So. I'll be working with D3D12 for now. And Austin with the hosting. Thank you very much. There's just one caveat with my DirectX 12 move. Like it works fine in build, but if you look here, if I press play, yeah, let's just say that the preview on the side doesn't really like it that much. But that's just in the editor for some reason. It works perfectly fine in the exported build. For some reason, exported build perfectly fine. Here, it dies. I don't know. It's only the UI that's displayed if it's overlay. The rest, it renders like fully no depth anything. But yeah, it's not really a problem because, you know, it works for in build, so yeah. Yeah, it must be a Unity thing, definitely. But yeah, but yeah, backgrounds. So right now, the webcam works perfectly fine. You got minus this in the Unity. Don't worry. So it works perfectly fine. You can calibrate. You got your gestures and stuff. Gestures. There, gestures. And the cuteness, yes, I can still do it. You can do that. You can change avatars as well, which is an important bit too. The eye tracking system works as well with a component, I think. Is that a component or is it a tag? I think it's a tag, right? Oh no, it's a component, alright. So that works. And the mouse works too. Mouse works. So now, what should be done is the background, because right now there's no lighting at all in my current environment. But yeah, if you take a look in, is it done since round? Okay, that just completely deletes the light. That makes sense, but you can see there's no light at all. If I put a light, that looks like a good old shading now. Like, that's some good shading now. Like, there's proper shadows and everything. Is there shadows actually? Are there shadows that disabled them? I think there should be shadows. Why are there no shadows? 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 Ah, because it's fully horizontal. That character. No, there's still no shadows. Are there shadows? Are there shadows? Can't see. Okay, there's definitely no shadows. I think it's one of my graphics settings. Hold up. Quality. AI for I don't know. It's because the light doesn't have shadows enabled. That explains it. Ah, there you go. So yeah, like it just misses backgrounds and stuff. And you might ask, well, like, why I didn't put a light? Well, that's why, because the backgrounds are gonna be handled by a system. So how they're gonna work, kind of like my old system, where I'll have, I mean, my old system uses multiple scenes.
Shake with some Panda Express.
Nice. So my old system uses different scenes for the backgrounds, but I'm not sure I can import a scene as an asset bundle. I'm not sure. Maybe, but I'm not sure. There's a chance I might need to actually pack like the whole thing into a single object. At least there's a chance I have to do that. I might need to do some research on that though. Let me zoom in on this bird. Ah, oh, come on. Okay, that's a bird. If I pause it, okay, that always meant. Okay. Okay, Unichi, there you go. Alright.
Okay.
It's a bird. It's a bird. Babe, look at my bird. Always.
Ah.
Time to kill Black Hell. There's always a good time to kill the Black Hell. With the wiggle cuteness. Your reminder, this is not cuteness overload. The cuteness overload is with the redeemed full screen, full face. Here it's just a webcam. Just to kill the Black Hell. And with cute eyes as well. That's the redeem. But damn, now I'm noticing the absolute monster delay. Like, just look at the delay of when I speak. Just... It just moved. Bruh. It's like so delayed. It's so delayed. But at least it works. Like I'm gonna pay the $95 when the time comes for sure. But yeah, let me do some research online about importing scenes as asset bundles.
Also, turn on noise reduction because you'll actually hear scraping from the box.
Can you export? How's a set bundle and load a whole scene? Okay, yeah, that's the question I'm looking for. I like how the webcam, my current webcam in the corner, and then the full webcam is almost synced. Load as it's seen is prohibited. Way to load. Huh. Huh. Uh, yeah, I did. That's other stuff. Okay, maybe I won't like focus on the asset bundle part first. I might just do the like loading a prefab or something. Actually, no, I need to figure it out. Because I need to figure out if I want to use a scene export or a prefab export. I don't know. What would be most optimal? Like, I know Beat Saber loads platforms, but I think there's always a main scene, and then it loads a like a prefab of the platform.
Oh. Sorry, my mouth was on fire.
Your problem. Oh, dude, you messed up your code, Austin. If you want, I can remove it. And you can redo it. Please do. Remove. Quote. Where is it? Deal quote. Deal quote. It's number 132. There you go. Okay. I think I might do the prefab route, but then how would I do it? Because just like scene and backgrounds 101. I'm going to create a new scene. I like how there's absolutely nothing in scene debug. Scene. Test. Background 1. Just to take background 1, for example. I save. Open this. And I'm gonna set just a random skybox. Just and there's no proper skybox. I wonder what that should look like. Oh god. Like I'm gonna use these. So if I render this, like just generate the lighting, so now there's like the lighting data in this. And I guess I can put the directional light just random there. There. Just as an example. And I'm going to go back to my scene. Which actually I'm gonna move immediately now. Scenes. This is not a simple scene, but it's just a yay. There. So now. When it pops. There it is. The thing is, I've got the default background, but then if I drop the scene, like the actual background scene I want to use, I'm gonna drop it in. Okay, I'll have to do it. Okay, I have to do it over. Over code. Well, gonna do a game object background manager with a brand new script. The save manager. Actually, do I have my redeems actually? Let me check my rewards. I kind of forget I have redeems I can put. No, not really. No, thank you. That one. That one. That one. Maybe not. That one. There you go. If you wanna name the script itself, you can now. Hydrate. All right. Thanks for the reminder. Water, give it a water.
It's a great slogan. They managed to convince an entire continent, if not the globe, that eating a foot of bread was somehow good for you.
I got some redeems up. So let me create a script. No. I want to rename from this one. From Save Manager. To Background Manager. There you go. Wait for the whole thing to compile. There you go, and open this shit up. While this open, just to inform people, I've got a project that is currently online but no one knows about. Keep being a bit odd. Okay, Austin. See you soon. Thanks for tuning in. And see you later, maybe. Yeah. Just want to be sure that I've got my thing closed. I've got so many windows here. But yeah, I've got a product online currently that I've not revealed yet, but you can access it. But there's kind of a catch. To access it, you have to go on my Discord, figure out a secret command phrase to get clues, and then decipher those clues to get the thing. In fact, you don't even have to get every single clue from the deciphering part to actually figure out what it is, but it is accessible. So what you have to do, you have to go on my Discord, and then, yeah, see in the announcements, I did put some more hints about how to get the command. And then where to go to actually spam the command if you need. But this is, of course, going to be revealed soon enough. officially, but you can have an early access look if you go now. If you try to decipher it. Yeah, I just wanted to point that out. But yeah, so VRA Background Manager. Alright. So I just want, as a test, lead engine I want to do using a Unity engine scene management. And just as a debug, I'm gonna do just to show you what I mean by the thing. Scene manager dot load scene. Can I load scene? It's scene like that. Okay, I might need to actually put it in the right. How can I load the scene? Okay, yeah, I'm gonna have to load the scene then. Load scene from asset. How does one do it? Load scene from asset. What that? Other scene from asset bundle. No, I don't want cookies. No. Because I need to put it as a skybox. That's the thing. Because you need to load the scene to get the skybox. Scene path. Okay, I'll see. Would that work? And both scene mode, I have to do additive. Like single would just replace the avatar scene with whatever scene I'm loading here. I want to add it to the current scene. Okay, it does work. I'm actually wondering, would that actually work or no? Damn it, I forgot to make it public. Public. Well, that's one issue I just thought about. How does one load a scene from my set bundle? It is possible then. Okay, we'll try to load, but can't load scene invalid scene name and invalid build index. And no. Uh-huh. Can't put the scene there. Let me trick something. I have to put a sigil too. Just for debugging purposes, I'm gonna use this. You just have this in there. Oh, come on. Stop it.
Sure.
Hi.
Damn.
Yeah. So that will work. Now, so there's this change. Object array. Yeah, just get the scene itself.
Yay.
Shoot. It's a private tool. I want to get the scene asset itself. Let's hit the editor. I don't want to use it. Hmm. Right, that's thing. Doesn't really fix my issue though.
Excuse me. We might go VC hopping a little bit.
Alright.
BRB.
Find a research idea. Hmm. I need to pass or see me. That seems fair. So we'll do. Value details. Hmm. Okay, if it's 98 or not, I just want to prove a point here. uh, no. How does one use it? Would that work? Can't seem to drag it in. I know it because I know I. Aha. don't know. I'm gonna be stuck on this the whole night. I hope not. Why is it not detected? Inside the class, so that should be where the fields go. Is it because it's just not... You know what page it? Because it's not compiling it. That doesn't make noise. It's compiled. Doesn't make sense. Hello. So stuck. Oh boy. Oh dear. No, I'll give up this. Screw this. Doing all of that. And I'll just use and it's bang. And this script can go die. No. Okay, now I'm gonna go in my debug scenes and yeet this in. There you go. So I've got get scene at 1. I just want to double check something. Is there no way I can hide this thing in the corner? Is there like no options to actually hide this? I don't think there is. I don't think there is. And the lemon! Yo! Thank you for the host. Very appreciated. You just quickly swap my controller batteries for a sec. Yeah. There you go, there's you went. Yeah. Charge. Alright. Slap this in. That is because my controller kept turning off, so there you go. Full charge. Let's go. So now, I think I closed it up. Yeah, close it up. Perfect. In theory, first scene, the scene debug scene should load like in additive mode. In theory. Index 1 is out of range. Eh. Huh. Out of range, you say? 1. It exists. Oh, hi. It does exist, you do. Okay, I'm doing animator now. Yeah, I've got so many issues just to prove one point. Also, yeah, oh, hey, Nightmare Fuel. Yes, hello. Welcome to the Nightmare Fuel stream. Creating absolutely ridiculous stuff. And also warning gamers. Indeed. Remove this. here. And that's usually how I would load a scene. Async operation. Async equals async dot allow scene activation false. I guess I can put delegate. So public static delegate. Or should probably delegate void load events. I should do also an instance. Should I do instance? No, no need for instance. Public static load events, like singular load events on load start, on load end, and mid, and also public static bool is loading. Perfect. So I can do here if it's already loading. No, if it's not loading actually, I'm gonna put everything in there. There you go. That way only when it is not loading it will actually load stuff. So if it's not loading, is loading, true, and then unload start, invoke. Perfect. And now while I should probably also do public static load. Do static. Ain't there for mono behavior? I don't think you can. No. I'm gonna have to do an instance then. VRA Webcam. Background manager. False. Does it actually need to be an instance though? I don't think it needs. I don't think it needs an instance. I'm gonna remove mono behavior and put it static. And I'll do public static void load scene. And I'm gonna pass in a scene. It's a little scene. And I can do if why the heck is it not? One, two, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 0. out. Loading progress. Wow, something equals there. Oh god, I've got an invisible character. Oh no, I need to move this. Nah, I've got an invisible character somewhere. Where though? Ah, I know why. I know why. I'm dumb. Static goes before class. So if not loading, start your routine. Right, it cannot be. There's no coroutines in. Static methods. Ah, God. Okay, I'm gonna need a mono behavior then. Yeah, more behavior.stock routine. I don't actually, can I? No, I can't. Okay. Got it. Alright, start coding that. Start. What do you mean?
I put it
Alright.
in the chat.
I cannot do this. What do you mean it cannot? Yeah. Also, high back out. Who doesn't even answer me? Great.
What?
I said hi.
I heard you.
What did you answer?
Working on the texture.
Why? Actually, does not exist in the current context. First off, remove the static. Alright, run static method. Because this needs to be. There you go, so no one can access it. That's really good. No. Alright, run source crash for the static. Static. If I do this, that work. Okay, that works. So I will do public static void load scene and then do VR. Can I just do load scene from there? Yeah, I can just do that. From load scene. I got load scene. Ah. Oh, which one should be underscore M? Like that, does that work? For non-static method, can I do this? Yeah, come on. Ah. Yes, I am Bluebird Boy, suffering through chaos of code. And making nightmare fuel in the process. Also, hi, Colonel.
Hi, Colonel Sniffin.
E. I am in deep suffering. Thank you for the E. I appreciate it. I cannot live without my E's.
Speaking of deep suffering, I'm also in deep suffering of cleaning up a texture.
Right. Okay, no. Got it. That's... Alright. A week. If actually if an index or no. Instance is null.
Let me know if anything goes wrong in the chat.
Oh no, it's not my job to look over the chat. Especially when you're here, but you know, you got homework, so it's understandable. Even though you're not doing homework for some reason. Don't hurt me. There. So now I've got my instance. Instance. Bam. Now it works. I actually need to put this, but yeah, now it works. Now it's static, so all I have to do is this, and then this. This dot this, and then the scene. And that works. Right. So I need two versions of it actually. I need one with the scene path and the other one with the scene itself. Or get just the path, but yeah, hydrate. Yes, good hydrate.
Always hydrate.
Good hydrate. Hydrate people. I'm actually go get something from my fridge over there. Hold up a sec. It's not iced tea because there's no ready for it yet. I'll get a bag of snack boys. Also, I'm just noticing my I need to clean up my shit in there.
Great.
But I got a little snack from my fridge. It's some cappuccino chocolates that my grandma gave me. Alright, so now... So this is a test. I don't want to call it this. I want to call, load C E name. from there I want to pass in the scene path. But how to check if it's valid or not? That's my question. Because if it's invalid, then it's not gonna work. Uh-huh. Advance to receive callback. Hmm. That's pre-18. The thing I did exist. Yeah, because I need to see if the path is valid, but in theory, with the SDK, it should always be valid unless someone, like, manages to modify the SDK and corrupt its scene to not export a scene. It would be stupid, but it could happen. I can hear you Shane Blackout. I can hear you
What?
hum. I could hear you
Hey.
hum.
Just bored.
Am I gonna have music playing? No chocolate. No, I'm a special bird. I won't die from chocolate. Also, did you read that the Colonel was snuggling you with hugs?
Hey, what?
Colonel snuggling you with hugs. Then I want to debug the path, so I need to get the scene. Okay, I'm gonna use scene here and load scene in you. That could work. necessarily need to actually get a scene pack. I mean, I need to do it, but I can do it in the code that loads the bundle itself. Reload the scene. That could work. I need to put the scene there. Let me check. No, okay, now it should. We're on the right path. All right, right track. Well. Progress equals 0. But now, like, here's the thing. When you load something, like, I've not used. Did I use a sync in my? I think I did use a sync in Labocalypse. But for those of you who don't know, there's two ways to load a scene. There's load scene and load scene async. Load scene will just flat out freeze everything and load the scene and then unfreeze when the scene is loaded, and you will see the scene immediately. But it'll be frozen for a while, depending on how large your scene is. Load scene async lets you load the scene asynchronously, so you can run bits of code while the scene is running in the loading in the background, and then the scene is gonna activate. It's the catch though. It's probably gonna still freeze if you don't put allow scene activation to false. If you don't do that, it's still gonna try and activate like immediately, which is not gonna work. So allow scene activation to false while the scene is loading. Then you can put the progress bar, so loading progress 0, and then well, and here's a little catch here. So while async dot progress is smaller than 0.9. You say, well, why don't you put it at 1? Well, for some reason, the loading is finished when it is at 90%, like at 0.9. Don't ask. I think it's due to how it's loaded, like 90% the full load, and then the rest is like loading the actual objects in the scene, something like that. But in that final 0.1%, 0.1 missing, it's just gonna be frozen, so it doesn't matter. So you have to do that. Loading progress equals I know there's like like an easier way to type it out, but it's gonna be async progress. Divide that by 0.9, and then times 1. Actually, divided by 0.9 should actually, let me pop a calculator quick, just so I can test. Calculator, standard. 0.9, no. 0.9 divided by 0.9. 1, okay, I can just divide by that. So if I do 0.45, which is like half of it, divided by 0.9, that's 0.5. Alright, that works. Alright. So just divided by 0.9, that works. So it's gonna vary from 0 to 1. Fair enough. in case it's bigger than 1. And to be sure it doesn't freeze during that while loop, you'll return no. So it's gonna keep going that while loop every frame until async progress is at 0.9. And then once it's at 0.9, I can do at least async and also an activation true. And that's pretty much the gist of it. And you return null just to be sure, because once you activate true, it's still gonna execute the future code until the end of the loop, until a you return null, and then it's gonna like load the objects in and then continue. So what I want to do is allow activation true and then immediately pause the enumerator so that every objects load, and from there I can trigger onload end. Like so. And set is loading to false. Alright. That works. And also loading progress to 1. That should be the gist of it. In terms of loading the scene. Now, just as a test, I'll go to my game manager and slap in a bit of code to actually trigger that, just as a test. Dot load scene. Do I have a I need to. Okay, so scene engine. Now scene management dot scene manager dot. Let's see if I can put in the path. Let's see by path. And then I will do, of course it won't be that long, like in the actual thing, because yeah, this is just as a test. Dot. So let's see if I can get the, okay, that I need the path of the scene. Get scene at 1. So I'm gonna get the path, and that path I'm gonna pass in to get seen by path, and it should return a scene, which is what the load scene takes. So in theory, this should work, and there should be a background scene shown. What do you mean? The script is... What the heck? Why does it say scene index 1 is out of range, even though this is definitely not the beta code? What? What happened?
What happened?
It's saved, I don't know. It says an error on something that is completely unrelated.
That's strange.
I just like the Steam VR debug log here, just initialize Steam VR. Connected to no. No. Model number. No. Serial number. No. Underscore HMD.
Bruh.
Because I'm running the null driver. That's why.
Mega bruh.
So see measure gets seen at. I'm gonna just start 11. Where there's no start method, you dork, you need to see. UT drunk that thinks there's a start method. I deleted it. Unity's drunk, did not refresh the script. Go on, recompile. No errors this time. Alright, Unity's not drunk anymore. But, there's nada shown. Does debug show any? No. Ha! Okay. Something ain't working right. Is loading. I'm gonna do log start background loading. And background loading, and then load progress plus dot progress. I'm gonna do some mathematics here. Times 100 there in percentage. Okay. So now I shall see if it does trigger the function or not. It should. And it is not. It is never called. Using false, if floating false, then this. So you were returned old scene. I don't know why sometimes I'm used to type console log. Or because I've done loads of JavaScript for the Discord bot and my little other project. You are log. always forgot to put the roads. I want to see the function is actually called. Okay, let's see. What? What the heck? Indeed, what the heck? Deleting an location that is altered in this permitted lifetime of 4 frames, H6. What? I did it. Oh, iced this time.
Oh dear.
I don't know what that error is. Never actually saw that error before, so that's brand new. Anyway, time to get the funky with some iced tea and hydrate wash it. Okay, then iced tea and then of course wash it out. Yes. Dang it, I closed the game window. Game. Game. There. Bam. Bam. And because there's already a burning corner, I'm just gonna put whatever. Let me go get some steamer fridge. Nah. Yeah, all these perfectly fine, but the bird in the corner is just like, eh. Hello, Anasaku. Anyway, iced tea. Iced tea. Now shut up, Blackout.
I wasn't even talking the whole entire time.
Nah, I'm talking about the iced tea. And you won't hear it. Only the stream will hear it.
I'll hear it on the stream.
Ah. Good old iced tea.
Yep, and I heard it on the stream during the delay, and I didn't even complain.
Poor Blackout. I hear just that sometimes Blackouts go like, that's loud. That's why he has lost his preference to listen to it like perfectly live. So they didn't complain. Well, I play it live. Wait, Blackout, you did it to yourself. Ouch. Where's my other thing? That's an imposter. I broke it. No, that it's just a problem. Right, fair enough. And back to square one. Where the heck? Oh, it's the other way. There it is. Wait, how you doing, Anna? Hope you're doing good. Also, excuse the mess on the side here. Don't explain why DirectX 12 does this in the editor. I'm glad to hear that. Glad you're doing well. Glad you're doing well, and I'm gonna ruin that mood with Nightmare Fuel. Nightmare Fuel avatars and stuff. And I'll put it on. Wait, why is it not loading? Why did I get internal deleting an allocation that is altered in its permitted lifetime of 4 frame? Why did I get that? If I play again, does it work? Does it do the same thing? It doesn't do the same thing. And the debug log doesn't get thrown. Great! 1. I don't care about your 1. I don't care about which hand I'm pressing. Why is it not triggering? Game manager, what are you doing? It is actually in there. No, it isn't there. Game manager. Anyway, Stacy. Duh. I better not fall too deep in the burp dimension. we're hitting the limit of what a bird shall see. Okay, so I cannot use a game manager then. I have to use something else. I'm gonna use the background manager, you know what I'm gonna use the badge on it. That should have been a better idea from the start. No pun intended. So we'll remove this bit, and remove this bit. There. That should yield the correct scene. And exit out of range. Piece of shit. What do you mean it's out of range? What do you mean it's out of range? It's there. I think Unity's drunk. You know what? When in doubt, restart Unity. Just completely restart Unity.
Rather, it's about tending to the broken parts inside of ourselves.
God damn it.
We create things as a reflection of this struggle. To study.
Oh boy. We all love Unity here, huh? It's beautiful.
That wave isn't necessarily
The number of reboots, the number of crashes, the number of this, the number of that.
is a state of mind which you
Unity's
constantly
awesome, isn't it?
strive for. This all comes from an understanding that
Anyway, I'm importing.
static, but fluid,
Still importing.
be
Very well importing.
like water.
Very well my imports. And I should say as well, when I was browsing the Ferrari Discord, I encountered a meme. And honestly, I think any Unity user will find this relatable.
Yep.
Any Unity
That's
user
really-
will find this relatable.
Like when I first saw this, that made me laugh.
But it's so relatable.
That is true.
Meal planning product flight.
like it's also like me when I'm uploading my avatars to VR chat. Takes 10 years to upload. Like
And to be fair, no, it depends on your network, but my network's perfectly fine. But importing, I swear, importing is the worst part. Like big Unity projects. If you work for someone, that you're working for a big company, and they use Unity, you try to boot up your Unity on your end, it's gonna take 5 years to boot the first time. Because you're just stuck on importing for a whole while. And that's true with any big game that you might work with. Anyways, it opened? Yes, it is open. Alright. Fine. Is Unity drunk again? Let's see. And Unity's drunk again. God damn it. You know what? Is it maybe because it's in Don't Destroy Unload? Is it because it's Don't Destroy? Or is it really because Unity is completely drunk? Let me try something. Oof. I'm gonna slap this in here. I'm gonna wait 5 seconds. 5 whole seconds to make sure it works. I hope it does. Cause goddamn Unity. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Shit. It broke. It's brookie. Okay, let me test something else. If I slap this, get seen ad. Get see managers list of those. Let's see. I'm trying to search for a scene that's already loaded. I'm not trying to look for one in the scene manager.
You okay down there?
I feel very stupid now.
Oh no.
I feel very stupid now.
We all get that feeling.
So you tell me I looked for like half an hour. Why my code did not work, and that's because I used the wrong function. Get seen at build index. Piece of shit.
Dear God.
Fuck. I think I will play the clip.
Fuck.
I suck at dev.
No, you don't.
And it still didn't load. Ah, damn it. Synchronization activation. What do you mean not such a knob from an object? What? Hold up a sec. What? What? Invoice empty string. What do you mean it's an empty string? What do you mean it's an empty string? Get seen by see assets scenes loaded. That explains it. Right.
I may need to go use the bathroom though, so BRB.
Okay. You know what? I'm gonna do a try catch on this. Try just to be sure. That's fine. So try this, and if that doesn't work, catch it. Okay, what are they trying to do with my thingies here? What you mean? What? What they do? Ah, is it because I forgot to put the one here, perhaps? No. What did I wrong in my try catch? So try. Yeah, that works. Problems with this. you catch. There. Cannot yield a value in the if the body. Cannot yield a value in the body of a tri-block with a catch clause. Okay, I cannot do yield. I'm gonna move my try-catch then. I'm gonna put a boolean, you know what? Bool. Move I had seen. I'm gonna set it to true first. So we're doing true, so I invoke. And he's gonna try to do this. So what I want to try and do is try whatever this is gonna give. Try that. And if that doesn't work, I'm gonna put valid scene equals false. So there, nope, there, and then valid scene false. Oh, come on, what mistake did I do again? Alright, because it's just this extra. There. Alright. Put this here. So, else configuration false. What I'm gonna do here, if valid scene, then continue with the code. Else, don't do anything else. There. So let's see if the thing is gonna load or not. I mean, it's not gonna load, but it's gonna generate an error, but it shouldn't generate any other error after that. If it doesn't work. It still generated the error. Also, I do need to put clear on build. It still generated the error. So the try did not work. So this doesn't work. If I seen and async is not equal to null, that should, in theory, work. Man, all the initial setup just to get the backgrounds running. Holy crap. Still triggered. I still don't play out. No, I did not trigger this time. Right, okay, so that's good. Like the animator continue. I didn't know that an animator could continue even if it threw an error. I didn't know that. That's curious. Right now, we just gotta figure out why. No, because I think it's there here. Get seen by path. Such as all scenes loaded from a scene that has a given asset path. And that's not working because the scene, well, it's not loaded. It's just in the build index. So I can just get the build index then. Can I pass in instead? String scene path. Do this instead. And I'm just gonna get the path of that build index scene. See if it loads. Just see if it loads. Hopefully it does. Still an empty string. What do you mean it's still empty? Okay, let me debug like this. Oh crap. There. Log. Get seen by build index. Welcome back. If anyone's wondering, I'm on the Discord right now in the VC. So if you wanna go chat with me, then you can. Okay, I wanna see what gets returned if I do this. But it says empty string. That's gonna cause an error. See much in scene? No. Maybe it really only works with asset bundles. I wonder. Could that really be the case? It's just asset bundles that work. I really wonder if it's really just asset bundles that work. I would hope something. I would hope I can get the path of a build scene, because I do want to test if path works or not. VT get path of scene build index. Scene utility. Get seen path by build. Get seen path by build index. Okay, so there is. I didn't know there's also scene utility. Is it like a? What is their rates from? Let me check. Scene management. VT engine. Can't I not get it? I do have scene management. Oh, you know what? It's not scene manager. It's gonna be scene utility. There. Get scene path by build index. So now, in theory, it should work. It should. I swear if it doesn't. Come on. Come on, boy. There's the scene. Ah, and there's the light. There it is. It's there. Load successful. But there's a problem. Can you guess what the problem is?
Oh wait, I see the problem.
What is the problem?
I see the problem in the black background.
This is completely unrelated. I'm talking about the scene itself, which is the left image, or
The left.
this image. There is a problem. Can you guess what it is?
You always quiz me on everything.
Do you remember what I did with the background scene that I did?
Kinda.
Let me open it. That's the background scene.
Right?
And there's a light and there's a skybox. So now let me go back to my scene. And replay this. So now, if I load, there's no lights at first, but then, bang, there's a light. So the light loaded, but there's a problem. Do you seriously still not see it? It's plain obvious.
No.
Where's the background?
Where is the background?
There, finally, you noticed it because I gave the answer. How can you not see that problem? How could you not see that problem?
I'm not a game dev!
I showed you even the scene. It had a light in the background. I go back here, you see the light, there's no background. What's the problem? There's no background. But now, I'm gonna do one thing. There's the background. Okay, hey, what? Oh, Unity, what are you doing? But here's the background. So why am I so big now? I didn't put them big. I know it's the shading, but there's the background. Oh dear Lord, epilepsy warning.
Epilepsy warning. Cover your
Epilepsy
eyes.
warning. I probably should not have selected that background. Oops. But yeah, so what is missing is that that's the one thing when loading scenes, is that the background itself is determined by which scene is the active one. So right now, my simple scene is the active one. So that means it's that background which is on. Which is not the background of the scene I made. even though it's loaded, the light is there. Like I can go inside there, you can see the cameras and even the light there. Bang, there it is. You can see it's there. Like everything's there. But the background's not showing. Because the background is determined by which scene is active. Right now sample scene is active, but if I set test background 1 to active, bang, that background loads now. So that's one extra step you have to do if you want to like properly load a scene, a background scene, just like I want to do. It is to set the scene active. But I do need to also remember the path of the current scene. Public static string current active scene path and I want to get part set like so. So now if it's not loading, I'm gonna start loading. So if that path is not equal to empty, then I want to do scene manager dot unload scene async. Honestly, async, and I want the current active scene path. I'm gonna set, you know what, I'm gonna slap on top here equals this. Use that. I'm gonna do wow again. I think it's gonna be 90% or 0.9. I wonder if it's said in documents. Let's see. I think. Alright, first assets. Wow. Async dot progress. I gotta do 0.9 again just to be safe. And you know what? I think unload. Just to be sure that I'm not overriding. There you go. And then I can do I kind of really want to see. scene. I'm guessing it's gonna be index 0. As I've seen. Oh, to be safe. Get seen by build index 0. There. And I can change it to 1 in case I change with my loading stuff later. But for now, that should do. I just want to see what the progress is. Oh, you know what? Well, that is not done. There. Easy. And then from the docks, seems like I can also do resources dot unrules unused asset. Just to free up the memory. Alright, and then I can do that. I gotta see equals that. I try or something like that. So if I'd seen anything. So I'm gonna activate the scene. And I'm also gonna set the active scene chat, so scene path is gonna work. Maybe a scene. Okay, I need to get the scene from good. Scene manager dot get scene by path. Scene path. No. Scene path. Okay. So now, the scene should be active properly now. It should be set to active now, without issue. Scene to unload is didn't I check if it was empty? Or did I put equal? I did not put equal like it's 2, did I? No. No. Scene to unload is invalid. So it goes in there. Right, I need to go and slap this in here. What do you mean? It's not equal to this. Current equals this, please. failed because it's automated and therefore cannot be set active. Okay, I probably need to do it after the return. No, damn it. I lost my calibration. Let's go. But now it should work, technically. Yep, it did work. Oh god. Oh dear fuck. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. What have I done? My poor boy. What have I done? Oh god. Well. Oh god. I wasn't joking when I said I was going to make nightmare fuel. Oh god. Oh no. What have I done? Oh no. Well, any of my avatars look like a nightmare fuel. Let me check. Protodren. Looks fine to me. Oh, the boy. That one looks extra. Oh, you know what? No, I'm still loading. Hey, hold up a sec. Is that? I wonder if am I loading on the wrong scene or not? No, okay, I'm definitely loading on the right scene. Oh boy.
Your eyes big.
Yes. Let me check something. It's not big. No, look at the problem. But also, I want to check. Where is the avatar spawned? It is spawned in there. Alright, okay. I was worried. But it does work. This one doesn't look half bad. Kinda works.
Like, I might go eat dinner really soon. I'm not going out to eat, but just eat dinner in the house in general.
Yeah. This one's fine. I've got a square as flipping. Oh god, you're cursed.
Whoa, wait, what the heck?
You big guys.
I got big eyes.
Unless I do this. You're corrupted. You're corrupted. This one's not though. And this one is definitely corrupted.
I remember that bird back in the days.
Okay, so the background does work. And I did say I was gonna create nightmare fuel. I think I succeeded. It's Halloween, so I don't care. I mean, okay, it's not Halloween, but it's Poopy Month, so I don't care.
It's Poopy Month.
Alright, so at least now the background loading scene by path works. But now I want to see what happens if I try to load from an asset bundle. That's my question here. That really is my question. But yeah, so loading from path works. But now, I gotta make an asset bundle for it. So I might need another SDK. Great.
Great.
So I'm going to need. I just want to check something with the eye targets that I put. Where the heck do they go? Oh god. I might unload the background for now. Skybox, no. I just keep the curse. Actually, where's my avatar itself? My regular avatar, where is it? There it is. Where's the eye target? It's somewhere here. Where is it? There. So these were tests. And there should always be one on the camera, that's the thing. I just want to see if there's any like webcam specific code in there. If there's not, that's good. Like there are the references. Okay, that's just for like reference here. All right. Oh boy. Hold up a sec, guys. I've got an email.
Ooh, an email.
Oh, hold up a second. Okay, something's not right. I kinda need to go on the break screen for a sec. Because I think there's a bit of confusion with something, job related. And I kinda need to, hopefully they're still awake now. I'm gonna slide this on the side here. That's true. You know, I guess we shouldn't need now. Ah, that's really confusing here. Okay, that's conflicting info I got. I just need to clarify with And I'm back. Sorry for the wait. There's a lot of things getting thrown around for my job currently. Loads of emails, loads of confirmation, loads of things happening at the same time. So yeah, if I have to go to look through my emails and be sure that at least I get a response, especially when something is happening like the next day. Yeah, I'm sorry, but I have to quickly look through. It's not my fault. Like, I'm just starting and I might be busy like that. But usually they don't send those emails like that late either. So yeah, but I'm back. So yeah, I did lose a bit of time on to work on the SDK part. I don't know if I'll be able to manage an SDK part tonight, but I will see. So what I would need is a new project for the SDK. But honestly, I kinda need as well to do something else at the same time. For the SDK, I need to be able to pack in a texture as well. Like, I want to pack in some info. Like, I want to pack name, description, licensing, author, and also information about what let's say the avatar supports. Like, does it have dynamic bones? Does it have eye tracking and stuff like that? And of course a texture, which is the preview image that games can load. So I kind of need to do that as well, and I kind of want to do that before doing the background SDK. But that might be a little on the complicated side. It could get a bit more complex in terms of unloading the avatar. I mean, it's just the unloader that I have to modify somehow. But yeah, let's see. I guess I'm gonna create a backup of my SDK project just in case I bork it. So okay, it might be a bit too risky to copy the whole thing. Okay, I'm just gonna copy. Did I have these? Let me copy this. I no need for that. I'm gonna copy this and these. There you go. VRA SDK. Paste this in. There's still 2 gigs to copy, but that's with like assets that I'm not gonna use later. They're just backing up my SDK project. Always takes forever. In the meantime, did anyone go in the hunt again? No. Yeah, the command hunt for that little project I'm working on is still going. And so far, 1, 2, 3, 4 clues have been discovered. Which is already a good start. In total, there are 15 clues. Technically 16, but the 16th doesn't count. So 15 clues. And there's a way to decode it. If you get lucky, there's a way to decode it without getting all the clues. That's nice. And I guess it's a good time maybe to announce something. I think I'm ready to say it. You know I'm going to VRA Legends, right? Last year, I got told, and I thought as well, that for the next virality, I should get a booth at the dealer's den. I felt like, I don't know if I would fit in well because I'm just a streamer that does game dev, but I'm not actually selling anything, so I don't know if I would fit well. But it would be cool if I could be in the dealer's den. Somehow. So I sent an application. And yeah, I just said like, I'm a game dev, I sent my links, stuff like that. I made it in. I'm in the dealer's den for all the legends, boy. So yeah, don't hesitate. I'm working on my booth right now. While off camera, because I cannot really show while I'm making it, unfortunately. But I'll be at the dealer's den. So if you like want to see my booth and listen to my music and stuff like that, go to my booth. There'll be links to all my socials and my my Twitch and other things. So yeah, be sure to come to VRA Legends this year in November 5th. Remember that date. Oh yes, I might also be streaming the whole event too. Minus the morning and the opening ceremony and stuff because job and time zones, but what can I do? It's unfortunate, but what can I do? Anyway, the backup has been put. So now I should be able to just set this as the project. Still called Test VR Project though, but should be fine. VRA SDK. Let me see if there's anything I could delete though. I said debug. I guess I'll see when the project is opened. When the project will be open. Shouldn't take a while to do. Might take a while. double unity. What have I done? Taking a while here. Yeah, I think it's gonna be time to, yeah, yeah, I'm gonna report that meme. Cause this is how I feel right now. It's just re-importing stuff, cause I backed it up, and yeah, I imported without the library. So now I had to redo the entire library. Let's go. Is this not? There it is. There's the thing. There it is. Relatable. Gonna take a while. Oh boy. It's so goddamn relatable. We love all imports. Especially when it takes absolute goddamn ages. It's beautiful. Oh boy. It is still importing. Ah, piece of sh. And that's the long one. That one's gonna take 5 years. And I see the stream is lagging too for some odd reason. Is it? No, now it's not. What the heck? Yeah, I guess it's just the Unity import that just kills it. Oh boy. Ah dear. Ah yes, I love it. It takes 5,000 years. Oh boy. Anyway, apart from that, how's it going, guys? Are you enjoying the stream so far? I hope you do. I'm gonna go look up something on my phone quick. Okay. Wow, how long is that gonna take? Oh no. Gotta check one last thing, and I might run an ad break and go get an actual snack while it runs. Oh yeah, this is plain old stupid now. How long it's taken. And boy. Save, boy. May I save? I'm importing. I guess I can save the other project. Saved. Yeah, just waiting on the import of the other thing so I can work on the SDK for the background. And maybe, probably mostly the avatars, but... Yeah, because I do need to modify the avatars want to include like a thumbnail and stuff like that. So, yeah. My phone for something anyway. Okay, it's still running. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna go get a snack. Like a proper snack and not just chocolate. And yeah, I will BRB. It's gonna be a little ad break. It's gonna be like a minute long. But it's definitely not gonna be long enough for my snacky preparation. So yeah, I will BRB, and I will see you after the importing is done. So yeah, BRB. I'm back. Alright, so I want to prepare a snack. And yeah, it didn't go well. So I want to prepare some Tostitos with salsa. But then I went lost for flipping 5 minutes trying to figure out what the salsa was.
I'm back.
And there's none left. Hello, Blackout. And
And
I
also, hi Retro in the chat.
And then 5 minutes later, like after like giving up on the salsa, I came back down. It was still importing. And I went to the bathroom at the same time. You know what? While it's still importing. To take the best of times. I came back and now it's imported. Right, and finally. Yeah, I told you back out. It's a nightmare. Anyway, so what's my scene for the SDK? So it's gonna be. I want to optimize this. It is empty. Yes, from mirror I'm not gonna touch. In asset debug, let me check. Debug avatars are gonna keep that. Actually, what? Not actually sure what I want to delete or not. I guess I'll just go to wait. None of these. Not this. Main VRA SDK scenes. Bang, this one. Alright. But yeah. So that's the scene. Yeah, that's the scene. If you don't want to change that material to something a little jarring. Because it's flickering, that's the thing. Like I mean my shader goddamn flicker, which is just beautiful, is it? Where's the non-flicker version? No flicker, there it is. So I want opaque there, and I want the no flicker version down there. Should be this one. No flicker. Alright. Now this should be perfect. I might do some SDK work for the rest of the night, because I do need to prep the SDK for backgrounds too. So yeah. Hello. Hello, my holographic myself.
Oh, hey, it's the Hollow Bird.
Hollow bird.
To be fair, I still hug that Hollow Bird.
Even though it might be electrifying.
What would?
Hugging this.
Yeah.
You might get hurt.
I don't care. Turns to fried chicken.
Blackout KHC confirmed.
No! Mickey KFC confirmed.
No. You're just stealing my joke. That wasn't something you see on stream. My little Linus Tech Tip video loaded in the background. Which is just beautiful. I'm gonna close this. I'm gonna close some of the windows.
Hi, my detectives.
Yeah, I watch some LTT sometimes, so. Yeah.
Oh, this text string though.
And of course on the worst frame possible. Twitch, don't ban me, please. Wait, anything else I need to close before catastrophe hits again?
Catastrophe.
You know, I think everything's safe. Be safe now. Okay, so the SDK part. I wanted to go get them the VCam controller. So that way, when you like UI to actually export the avatar and stuff like that, you have the ability to actually take a picture of it. But I do need to find a way to encrypt the bundle though. That's the thing. But here's the thing. For the system to work, especially if I want to make this like multiplayer, I kinda need like encryption on the stuff. I'm wondering. So what I need to do would be somehow encrypt this, but without the stream knowing what the key is. Oh, I know I'm knowing what the key is. I mean, I could go without encryption for now because there's no like multiplayer games either yet, but just if someone downloads it and then extracts it, that's a problem. Hmm. Wait, I guess for now, let's just figure out how to zip stuff together. Because I can build the asset bundle and make the asset bundle. And I've made cameras before that save textures. I've made that. So just have to figure out a way to take the camera and then export it to the same folder. Then take the avatar, take the webcam, the camera, photo, and some file next to it that can contain the extra information, like a text file. Yeah. I'll focus on other things later. So I'll need not the avatar settings, but the avatar builder. Bundle builder. Is this an animator? No. I could also do it via the component itself. Would that be the better option, actually? Actually, I kind of want to also have a UUID linked to each avatar and each asset I make. So, is that a way to generate a UUID from within Unity? What is Unity GUID? Hmm. No, no, no. Hmm. So there's GUID. GUID and UID are the same concept, but different formatting. I kind of want to use the UUID system for some reason. might just use. Hmm. Curious, curious.
It sounded like you were like in a cardboard box for a second.
I don't know how much to do that, but yeah. It
You
happened.
had your hands over your mouth, I think.
No, not even.
Bruh.
Oh, hold up a minute. A little break from coding. Little break.
Eh.
Yeah, Blackout, you might want to go to virality.
Yeah. Wait a second. No, the registration's open.
Le scrum.
I'm registering right now. Oh god, yes.
I see you're very excited there.
I am excited. Register. I wanna go register. Yes, I'm gonna log in with VR chat. I don't give a crap. Eh.
No, so keep quiet when you register.
Yeah. I don't have a vouchers. Sorry, I'm just hype. The hype. Wait, hold up. Yeah.
I guess the servers are gonna be loaded.
Oh my gosh.
The servers are gonna be loaded with registrations.
Oh my god, I'm
People.
so excited.
You wanna go see my booth? Register, it's only $10.
I mean, I'm getting the general pass because I gotta save a lot of money.
Save your cash. I'm not a good financial advisor.
And of course, Save a Fox rescue donation. No thanks, I'm good. Ash! The hype!
There you go. Alright. Alright. Let's go.
Let's go, Frowny Legends! Okay, now all I have to do is pay with PayPal and I am done.
Also, for some reason, it shows my old Discord tag. What do you mean it's on my old Discord tag? There you go, perfect.
I don't care, pay now. Oh god, I'm so excited. Okay. Yeah,
I'm-
I'm just extremely excited.
Yeah, I might have went overkill.
Eh?
I might have went overkill.
Sponsor, really?
Hey, I told it to myself, if I got the booth, sponsor. I got the booth. Sponsor.
Let's go. Yes, Sorry, I'm just freaking out.
So I guess the store is still okay. The store still has the Luma stuff. I'm surprised. Are they
There
still?
goes-
Are they still really in stock?
I don't know if they're really in stock.
Quantities are very limited. Still in stock, bruh. Unless it's no, because it would say out of stock or they will be removed. For example, like the pin is not there anymore. So
Yep.
it means it's still in stock for some reason. Bruh.
Like, for real, like, my hands are literally shaking after hearing the news about the registrations being open.
And also that also means because I got sponsored, I can invite not one friend, 2 friends.
Let's go!
You already paid for yours, so too bad. But honestly, you would pay for yours. You're supporting Virality anyway, so it's fine.
Yeah. I support Virality because they're a good team and I love them.
I'm gonna figure out who to send those vouchers to. What's happening exactly, lol? First off was a break because flippin' Unity took 5 years to re-import my backup. Second of, I had an email to answer to. Third up, Virality Legends registrations opened. No, you don't know what Virality is. What is Virality? It's a virtual reality furry convention. Do I have to say more?
Like, oh my gosh.
It is a virtual Virality convention. I'm not sponsored, by the way. I know I bought the sponsor pass, but I'm not sponsored. I paid for it. So, it's a VR chat convention for furries. It costs $10 to attend. And I have a booth as well. So if you want to go to the dealer's den and see my booth and see my shit, you can.
I might have gotten a little too overexcited.
Yes, I have a booth at the dealer's den, somehow. And what do you mean you're too excited, Blackout? You just, what?
I went a little overexcited because, yeah, energetic reaction.
Yeah, I was just like, let's go, it's open. I'm just more chill. I bought like 50 tickets accidentally. Blackout says that. Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised if he bought 50 tickets. Because he's overly excited. Don't lie, Blackout.
I did not even buy 50 tickets.
No, it wouldn't have surprised me if you bought 50 tickets because you were so flippin' overexcited. Don't lie to me.
I'm not lying.
Yeah, okay, yeah, he didn't get 50, no, definitely not. He got 55.
No, I only bought the general pass for $10.
Well, I got the sponsor for 10 times the price.
How much is a sponsor?
It's like $100.
Bleh.
But hey, you're supporting the foundation. You're supporting the variety organism. And it's awesome. They make quality content. And also I get asset packs, and also I get 2 vouchers for friends, and also I get credits in the ending ceremony. In the credits. That I might not even be able to attend because job.
Oh no.
Oh god damn it.
I can actually just try to take a picture of your name in the credits.
I mean, I'll see. Maybe I might do an exception and just kill myself the next morning. Because that's definitely what's gonna happen. Because I'm gonna stay all night just to see my name in the credit. And then I'm gonna get 5 hours of sleep.
I'm just excited.
No free bad toy.
Can somebody stop me from going overexcited? Yes.
Well, you know, if I die, you can always go and bat me in my booth in the dealer's den. No, you cannot stop me. It's gonna depend on actually when the ending ceremony is. It's usually at midnight, like midnight my time, and it usually lasts an hour, so that means I'd get 6 hours of sleep, probably.
In the Frowley chat, I'm just like seeing box.
And also it sucks because depending on the time again, I won't be able to attend the opening ceremony either. Because of job.
Oh no.
It absolutely goddamn sucks. I mean, at least I'll be able to attend the opening of the dealers then, because that's not like immediately when the convention opens. I guess this whole stream turned into like talk about virality and furry stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, not sure I'll be able to do the avatar like build and stuff with textures and everything today. So I think that's what I'm gonna do next Tuesday. Yeah. Oh, and my video finished exporting. That's from my YouTube channel. But I can't do this channel. Your channel. Yeah, I'm a bit backed up on streams that I have to upload. So yeah, that's good. That's awesome.
I'm
It
way
is
too
awesome.
overexcited. Let's hope.
Yeah, we did good. We did good. What did I do today? I did a background like loader from a scene path. But now the thing is, I actually need to do the background SDK part. Like if you take a look at what I need. So right now it's this background, but if I press play, it's gonna load a background from a path that's taken from the build index, because that's the only way I could test it right now. But if you see,
Guys.
bang, load the background. Also, Black, I'll take what After is saying in the chat.
I know, I see.
Take it.
Like, I'm embracing it, but I didn't scream it. Wait, did I scream it?
You did not. I know your volume just in case. It wasn't that loud.
My mouth wasn't even close to the microphone.
Yeah, sometimes you scream so loud you alert your parents Don't lie to me, it happened once on my stream. Don't hide it, it happened.
But yeah, overexcited, embracing it.
But no screaming.
Yeah, I gotta fill my video information here. So what was that video about? Ah, yeah, right. It was the that gaming stream. Let me find a good screenshotable thing.
Screen wins Colonel.
Perfect screenshot. Alright, found the screenshot for the VOD. For last Friday's gaming stream. Found the screenshot.
Noise.
Let me just, is it full res? Let me check. Video, zoom. Original, there you go. Now it's the original zoom. That screenshot. Like, forget the Roko's Otaku segment, forget the fast move. This, I'm not showing, but you'll just see the VOD on YouTube, you'll be like, what's happening on that screenshot? Where's my affinity design there? There it is. Thumbnail, please. Thumbnail. Open, please. Thank you very much. The thumbnail of my last video. Yeah, last Tuesday was a webcam stream as well, as usual on Tuesdays, and there was the eye bug that I found, and yeah, this is the thumbnail.
Wait, what the heck?
And my tracker died. Great, I've got that face now, god damn it. Where's my goddamn battery pack before I knock something over? Oh god, I'm almost on fucking show. Battery pack, where? There you are. Found you, bitch. Now the cable, can't take the cable, found you, bitch. Beautiful. Like, have you, Austin, have you taken a look at, like, my thumbnails if you watch my, like, if you've looked at my YouTube channel, have you seen some of my thumbnails I've done? Because some of them are just beautiful.
So hecking excited. Jesus Christ.
Apologies, fair enough. Hold on, let me pop some of them. When I reopen the tracker, of course. Alright, that should be opened. Bleh. Yeah, actually, I should have. Yeah, I do have it I do have a background image here, so I can use that as the thumbnail shower. Just gotta browse through the thumbnails. Let me find the thumbnails. So that was last week's. Another funny one. Let me check. I mean, I've got thumbnails like these. Just big face. On some of them. That's cute. But I do have worse. Sometimes I do thumbnails like these. Just, yeah, you. I think you might see where my thumbnails go.
Yeah, I see.
Anything bad? Ah, yeah, there's also this one.
Oh yeah, that video where I was in Bali.
No, that's me. The mic ball.
Yeah. But yeah, like remember like in that one stream you changed the your volley to my skin and I'm like ah.
Yeah, in my tweet, yeah. Let me check for any other funny thumbnails. There's that one.
Hey, it's your boy.
That's your boy, like, oh god! What happened to my hands?
He's like,
It just died. The hands just died. I cursed. You're welcome, Blackout. And he's dead. How Blackout feels right now. Yeah, also out of context. No context for that one.
Why you always do this to me?
Alright, this was too small to see on the thumbnail, but I morphed the Navali's face into a bird face. With one of my sketches.
Right.
What else? Let me check. Alright, this one might not seem special, but hey, what's at the bottom?
That's in the volley.
Just kiss my ass. You're welcome, Blackout. And I think in terms of like the funny thumbnails, it's pretty much over. So yeah, go back to decent, put back the bird. But yeah, my thumbnail work is just beautiful. Isn't it?
Hold on. Blackout needs to channel that energy into college homework, which... Fuck.
But your thumbnails. Okay, I gotta figure out play like correct size for this one. There goes all of Blackout's energy, yep. Ah, you were trying to stop Blackout, not me. Ah, okay, then yeah, then I guess I'll be I'm doing a 6-hour night and 6 hours of sleep night after the closing ceremony then. Why would I stop? Okay, yeah, fair enough. Okay then. Put these back. I thought you were trying to stop me from doing a 6-hour night and trying to stay up for the closing ceremony and then just dying the next day. Alright, so this was going to be 2021, 10, 15. And it's a Friday night gaming stream. Alright. Save this thumbnail. Where do I save it? In there. Capuche. 10, 15. Capuche. Alright, now go back to YouTube. YouTube, it's already up to 5%, great. That's gonna take forever. Put this as a thumbnail, let's go. How should I name it? How should I describe that stream? Wondering. Twitch there.
I want to do something different with my Chipotle by adding a toggle badge on my Chipotle.
That'd be good. I did the exact same on Luma.
Yep.
And also, I think for 2000, I did the same too. Okay, damn it. I forgot to put timestamps. I'm dumb. Timestamps. Alright, I gotta go get the timestamps of each segment. So you'll hear myself twice. Maybe.
Like, I might need a bit of help.
Let's go. 2053. Alright. I'm busy doing timestamps. I have to listen.
I know,
so.
I know. I'm saying I might need a bit of help with the toggle setup after stream.
We'll see. We'll see if I have just time to do it, because I'll be busy as well. I'm working on my Friday booth, of course. And if I have time, trying out the other project, which I'm not ready to talk about yet. It's that one project that's gonna take forever. And not because I'm lazy with it. It's actually gonna take forever. Okay, let me listen to this. 41, 42, 43. There you go. Okay, 125, 43. I think that's gonna be a good time. 129, 43. That's gonna be one of those on stream. There you go. RCT2. And there you go. Next up in the lane. I mean, the first two games, I'll be honest, were kind of boring on that gaming stream because absolutely no one showed up, minus like one viewer on the Marvel segment. After that, it went quite well because I actually had friends to play with. Was not the best stream. It was still fun though. Hydrate with HD. All right, thanks for the reminder, Retro. Thank you for the reminder. Okay, where do I flipping boot up Phasmo now? Yeah, I'm gonna make 2 timestamps, I think. One single player, one multiplayer, but yeah, we're approaching 11 o'clock. So I think that's where I'm gonna end the stream too. But yeah, some progress was made at least. So that's the important bit. And yeah, I thought, okay, why is the stream running at 30 frames now? Huh. Okay, no, I'm actually using okay, I don't know what's happening with Twitch and my computer and I don't know my plane stuff. But yeah, good progress today. And that's a good quote. Yeah, at least progress was made. Which is the important part. So yeah, I did yes, a start of background implementation. Then started thinking about how to do the rest. A shitload of research. And some unfortunate like non-planned stuff like that email and the registration and stuff like that. But yeah, I'm gonna go see who I can raid now.
Let's see who to raid.
Capuche. Let me see who is Stremen. What is this? I've never seen that tag before on Twitch. Yeah. Ah, okay, it's very much. It's art.
Nah, you too, Watson.
Interesting. Did you have already 52 viewers right now? I want to support like a smaller streamer. I was trying to aim for like low end to like support like smaller streamers.
Also, in chat, Austin says, "Well, have a good night, Mike and Blackout. You burp, sleep well. Remember that you're appreciated and we care."
Aww. Thank you. Have a good night.
Have a good night, Austin. La water.
Austin the water.
I was drinking some water a few years ago. I mean, a few minutes ago.
Someone working on a commission here with 14 viewers. You know what? Let's go raid him. Okay. Where's my Twitch? That's the wrong window. Did I already the wrong stream manager? That's the one. Alright. Bang. Alright. So on Friday, it's gonna be time for some gaming, of course, as per usual on each Friday. But for now, it is time to go raid, and who to raid? And the answer is, let's go raid Surreyfox, who is doing art. So
I never heard of Surreyfox.
they're doing a commission right now. So yeah, see you all on Friday at or tomorrow, depending on. See, but most likely Friday for some gaming at 7 p.m. EST. See you, peeps.
Bye.